Nestled in the heart of southwestern France, Bordeaux is a city that whispers tales of elegance, history, and, of course, wine. This enchanting city, often referred to as the Pearl of Aquitaine, is a harmonious blend of the old and the new, where every corner tells a story, and every street invites exploration. Often overlooked by travelers rushing to the French Riviera or the romantic streets of Paris, Bordeaux offers a unique charm that unfolds like a bottle of its finest vintage. Here the pace of life is unhurried, allowing visitors to truly immerse themselves in the local culture and traditions. With its stunning architecture, world-renowned cuisine, and a vibrant cultural scene, Bordeaux is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The city's architectural marvels, such as the Place de la Bourse, stand as testaments to its rich history and artistic heritage. Forget the bustling crowds and tourist traps. Bordeaux invites you to embrace a slower pace of life, to savor the moment, and to lose yourself in its captivating ambiance. Here, the locals take pride in their leisurely way of life, often seen enjoying a quiet afternoon at a cafe or a peaceful stroll through the city's many parks and gardens. Imagine strolling along the Garonne River, its gentle currents reflecting the city's golden glow, or wandering through charming cobblestone streets lined with centuries-old buildings. Each step you take in Bordeaux is a journey through time, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Picture yourself sipping on a glass of full-bodied Bordeaux wine at a quaint sidewalk cafe, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through the air. The city's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, offering everything from traditional French pastries to innovative gourmet dishes. This is Bordeaux, a city that seduces the senses and leaves an unforgettable imprint on the soul. As the sun sets, the city takes on a magical glow, casting a warm light over its historic buildings and creating a picturesque backdrop for an evening of exploration. But Bordeaux is more than just a pretty face. It's a city steeped in history, its past interwoven with the rise and fall of empires, the flourishing of trade, and the evolution of art and culture. The city's museums and cultural venues offer a glimpse into its storied past, showcasing everything from ancient artifacts to contemporary art. From its Roman origins to its medieval splendor and its modern-day Renaissance, Bordeaux wears its heritage with pride. The city's diverse architectural styles reflect its dynamic history, with Roman ruins standing alongside medieval buildings and sleek modern structures. So, if you're seeking an authentic French experience away from the beaten path yet brimming with charm and sophistication, then Bordeaux is calling your name. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone looking to unwind, Bordeaux has something to offer everyone. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the treasures of this captivating city and discover why Bordeaux should be your next travel destination. From its hidden alleyways to its grand boulevards, Bordeaux promises an adventure that will leave you enchanted and longing for more. Prepare to be captivated by Bordeaux's architectural tapestry, a harmonious blend of grand monuments, charming squares, and intricate details that adorn its buildings. As you wander through the streets, you'll find yourself immersed in a city where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Each corner you turn reveals a new facet of Bordeaux's rich architectural heritage, inviting you to explore further. The city's UNESCO World Heritage designation is a testament to its architectural significance, a living museum that showcases centuries of craftsmanship. From medieval structures to contemporary designs, Bordeaux's skyline is a visual narrative of its evolution through time. The preservation of these landmarks allows visitors to step back in time and experience the grandeur of past eras. Start your architectural exploration at the Place de la Bourse, an 18th-century masterpiece that epitomizes Bordeaux's grandeur. This iconic square with its harmonious proportions and classical design serves as a gateway to the city's illustrious past. The meticulous planning and execution of this space reflect the city's commitment to architectural excellence. The square's elegant facades adorned with intricate carvings and gilded balconies reflect perfectly in the vast water mirror, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Whether viewed at sunrise, sunset, or under the midday sun, the water mirror offers a constantly changing tableau that captivates both locals and visitors alike. It's a place where art and architecture come together in a dance of light and reflection. Don't miss the Fountain of the Three Graces, a symbol of Bordeaux's prosperity and elegance. This exquisite fountain with its graceful statues and flowing water is a testament to the city's artistic heritage. It stands as a reminder of Bordeaux's historical significance and its ongoing commitment to beauty and culture. Next, Venture into the heart of the city to marvel at the Cathédrale Saint-André, a stunning example of Gothic architecture. This majestic cathedral, with its towering spires and intricate stonework, is a beacon of faith and artistry. Its construction spans several centuries, resulting in a structure that embodies the evolution of Gothic design. Its soaring spires pierce the sky, while inside stained glass windows bathe the nave in a kaleidoscope of colors. These windows, with their vibrant hues and detailed scenes, tell stories of religious devotion and artistic mastery. The interplay of light and color within the cathedral creates an atmosphere of reverence and awe. Climb the tower for panoramic city views and a glimpse into the cathedral's ancient bells. From this vantage point, you can see the sprawling cityscape of Bordeaux, with its blend of old and new. The ancient bells, with their deep, resonant tones, have marked the passage of time for generations, adding to the cathedral's historical significance. No visit to Bordeaux would be complete without experiencing the grandeur of the Grand Theatre, an architectural jewel from the Age of Enlightenment. This magnificent building, with its imposing presence and elegant design, is a cultural landmark that has hosted countless performances and events. Its construction marked a new era of artistic expression in Bordeaux. Its imposing neoclassical facade, adorned with Corinthian columns and statues of muses, hints at the cultural treasures that await inside. These architectural elements, inspired by ancient Greek and Roman designs, convey a sense of timeless beauty and grandeur. The statues of muses, representing the arts, serve as guardians of the theater's rich cultural heritage. Catch a performance or simply admire the opulent interiors, a testament to Bordeaux's enduring love affair with the arts. The theater's lavish decor, with its ornate ceilings, plush seating, and grand chandeliers, creates an atmosphere of elegance and sophistication. Whether you're attending a ballet, opera, or play, the Grand Theater offers an unforgettable cultural experience that reflects the city's artistic spirit. Bordeaux is a paradise for food lovers, a city where culinary traditions are celebrated with passion and finesse. Nestled in the heart of France's renowned wine region, Bordeaux offers a culinary landscape that is as rich and diverse as its history. The city's streets are lined with an array of dining establishments, each promising a unique gastronomic experience. From Michelin-starred restaurants that push the boundaries of culinary innovation to charming bistros that serve time-honored recipes, Bordeaux tantalizes the taste buds with its rich flavors and fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The bustling markets are a testament to the region's commitment to quality and tradition, offering a vibrant selection of produce that reflects the seasons. Indulge in the region's signature dish, entrecôte à la bordelaise, a succulent steak bathed in a rich red wine sauce, best enjoyed with a glass of locally produced Bordeaux wine. This dish is a celebration of the region's culinary heritage, combining the robust flavors of the meat with the subtle notes of the wine, creating a harmonious blend that is truly unforgettable. For seafood enthusiasts, the lampois à la bordelaise, a traditional dish of eel cooked in red wine, is a must-try. This unique dish showcases the region's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The eel, tender and flavorful, absorbs the rich, complex flavors of the wine, resulting in a dish that is both comforting and sophisticated. While vegetarians will delight in the region's abundance of fresh vegetables, transformed into flavorful dishes. The local chefs take pride in their ability to create vegetarian meals that are not only healthy but also bursting with flavor. From hearty vegetable stews to delicate salads, the vegetarian offerings in Bordeaux are a testament to the region's culinary versatility. No culinary journey through Bordeaux would be complete without sampling the region's world-renowned pastries. The city's patisseries are filled with an array of sweet treats that are sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Each pastry is a work of art, crafted with precision and care, reflecting the region's dedication to quality and tradition. Indulge in a canelés, a small, custard-filled pastry with a caramelized crust. This delightful treat is a perfect example of Bordeaux's ability to create simple yet exquisite desserts. The contrast between the crispy exterior and the soft, creamy interior makes each bite a delightful experience. Or savor the delicate flavors of a macaroon, a meringue-based confection that melts in your mouth. These colorful treats are not only visually appealing but also offer a burst of flavor with each bite. Whether you prefer classic flavors like vanilla and chocolate or more adventurous options like lavender and rosé, there's a macaroon for every palate. For a truly immersive culinary experience, head to the Marché des Capucins, Bordeaux's largest covered market. This bustling market is a food lover's paradise, offering a glimpse into the region's vibrant food culture. Here, you can interact with local vendors, sample fresh produce, and discover the ingredients that make Bordeaux's cuisine so special. Here, amidst a symphony of sights, sounds, and aromas, you'll find a treasure trove of local produce, fresh seafood, artisanal cheeses, and regional delicacies. The market is a sensory overload, with the vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables, the enticing aroma of freshly baked bread, and the rich, savory scents of cured meats and cheeses. It's a place where food is celebrated in all its forms, and every visit promises a new discovery. Section 4. Budget-friendly stays, where to rest your head. Bordeaux offers a range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from charming guest houses and cozy apartments to stylish boutique hotels. While luxury hotels abound, budget-conscious travelers need not despair. There are plenty of affordable options that don't compromise on comfort or convenience. Consider staying in the Chartrons district, a former warehouse district that has been transformed into a trendy neighborhood with a bohemian vibe. Here, you'll find a plethora of guest houses and budget-friendly hotels, many housed in renovated 18th-century buildings. Another affordable option is to look for accommodation in the Saint-Michel district, a lively and multicultural neighborhood located south of the city center. This area offers a mix of hostels, budget hotels, and apartments, making it a great base for exploring the city on foot. For those seeking a more communal atmosphere, hostels are a great way to meet fellow travelers and save money on accommodation. Bordeaux has a handful of hostels, most of which are located within walking distance of the city center. Section 5. Reaching Bordeaux, your affordable travel guide. Getting to Bordeaux is easier and more affordable than you might think, with a variety of transportation options available to suit every budget and travel style. For budget-conscious travelers, flying into Bordeaux-Marignac Airport (BOD) with a low-cost airline is often the cheapest option. Numerous airlines offer direct flights from major European cities, making it easy to find a flight that fits your schedule and budget. If you prefer to travel by train, Bordeaux is well connected to the rest of France and Europe by a high-speed rail network. Traveling by train offers a scenic and comfortable way to reach the city while avoiding the hassle of airport security. Once you arrive in Bordeaux, getting around is easy and affordable thanks to the city's efficient public transportation system. The tram network covers most of the city center, while buses connect to outlying areas. For shorter distances, walking or cycling is a great way to explore the city at your own pace.